Hi, E.T. Barton here, and today I'm going to be going over how to blog without blogging part 3, and this is called the Covert Store Builder. I really like this. This is actually not a plugin. This is a theme. It's a WordPress theme, and personally I think it's brilliant because this theme is going to allow you to blog without blogging simply because of the way the theme was designed. Now, I'm going to show you today from my site bookreviewersclub.com. I also created a subsite of my main site called books.ericabarton.com. This one, the books.ericabarton.com, is actually where I have the theme installed. And I have a different theme on my book reviewers site, completely different. But I'm going to show you today what this theme can do if you wanted to use it every day, or if you didn't want to use it and you wanted to use your theme with your business site or your writer's site or whatever site it is that you have, if it's a WordPress blog. I'm going to show you how to use this so that you can blog without blogging. Okay? So, the first thing that you're going to see when you install the theme is that this option right here, CSB products, and it has two things. It has settings and it has search for products. And I'm just going to show you the settings really quickly so that you know what it is that this theme does. Is it pulls products from Amazon, eBay, or ClickBank, and it sets them up just like it's set up on Amazon, eBay, or ClickBank, but it turns them into blogs. Now you can set it up so it'll automatically create tags and which words that you don't want included from the tags. These tags are often taken from the title or the description. You can add comments to your post based on reviews that are left on Amazon or eBay or ClickBank, and you can randomize it. Normally it leaves 3 if you check off the box. If you randomize it, it'll leave 2 or 3. I like to check off add all available comments, and I leave this one empty, which is nice. Now this information right here is where you're going to fill in your Amazon information, your Amazon affiliate ID, if you sell products on Amazon, your access key ID, your API secret access key. You would enter them all in. You'd put the region that people are shopping from. I checked off include the product features in the description. You can show your date and timestamp next to the pricing if you want. If you don't want that there, you just uncheck it. And you can say how often you want the products to be refreshed. I'm going to say every 24 hours or so. Now with Commission Junction, you do the same thing. You get your developer key, your website PID, your advertisers IDs, or with eBay you also do that. And once you put that information in, it automatically links any products or any that you import as blogs to your affiliate ID. So if somebody coming to your site happens to click on that and they buy it, you make an extra commission. So let's say you're a small business owner and you sell something on Amazon, eBay, or ClickBank. Well, you're going to make your normal commission that you would normally make. However, as an affiliate, you can make up to an extra 15%. So, whatever price Amazon is charging you to sell those products, they automatically account in their affiliate income, so you're getting your 15% out of what they would charge you to sell your products on their site. Hopefully that makes sense. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this blogs for you. And you're going to love this. I love this. It's super easy. So what you do is you come over here and you click on search for products. And once that's open, you're going to see your product keyword, what networks you want to search. I've only got Amazon set up, so it's only showing Amazon, and how many items you want returned. So let's say for now, I want to search Lisa Kleypas. I'm actually going to be posting books by Lisa Kleypas to my book reviewer site. Now, I just clicked Amazon, and the newest form of Covert Store Builder, which is 1.4, will actually allow you to do an Amazon search index. So I can search a particular category or I can search all categories. So for now I'm going to choose the Kindle store because I like to have the automatic instant buy access on my site. And I'm going to say go ahead and show me 20 results and click search. Now as you can see, it's searching for products here. So this will take just a moment. And here we go. This shows me the images, the title of that particular item on Amazon. This title right here is going to become the title of the blog. The description on the page for the product, that becomes the description of your blog. This image will become your featured item. You can also add your price. If you want to really see it, you can right click this and you can go directly to Amazon and see that page. But I'm going to go ahead and leave that off for now. I already have this one posted on my site, but I don't have this one. I'm going to go ahead, go down the list and click off the ones that I know I happen to not have on my site. And it looks like there's a couple I've never seen before. Married by Morning, I've already got that one in. Love in the Afternoon is in. Then Came You. Scandal in Spring. Smooth Talking Strangers. Happened One Autumn. Dreaming of You. See, and all I have to do is I go down this list, I click off whichever items I want. And all of these, this is basically 20 potential blog posts right here based on products. Isn't that fantastic? So now I'm going to go in and I've got my categories that are on my blog listed down here at the bottom. And I'm going to press the Control key so I can press more than one item. I'm going to do fiction and historical romance. Okay, I've got another step going on right now, so it's not letting me do it. Normally when you press Control and 2 items it'll let you, but I've got a step recorder going on right now that's recording everything that I'm doing, so it's not letting me do it. So for now I'm going to pick fiction. Now I can import these as a draft or I can have them go directly live. If you click import the selected products live, then that means those blogs can now be seen by your readers. So if you're a small business owner and you're importing products into your website, consider this your store. As soon as you click live, then those items will be seen by your customers. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post it to draft. Just because when it's in the draft form, I can go through and I can edit them really quick if I want to, or I can send them somewhere else. For example, I don't actually want those items in this blog because this blog is not my main blog. My main blog is the bookreviewersclub.com over here. But I've got it over here. Now I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to show you exactly what it would look like if you were to keep this theme as your blog. I happen to love this one. As you can see, it's got a slider. It's got check it out, it's got prices. I can take the pricings off if I want. This is completely changeable. These are just some items I left up. And when you come down, you've got all of your blog posts set. The featured images are the products, which is great. If there's a description, then the description will often squeeze down here. Some of these pages don't have description. Some do. And I can set how many products will show up on this page. And as you can see, there's multiple pages down here. The other great thing about this theme is that I can sort them by what's just posted, what's popular, the highest price, the lowest price, so your customers can. It's completely a store theme. You can also preset this so that down here what will automatically show up is either the newest items, the most popular items, the highest price items, or the lowest price items. This theme gives you that option, which is fantastic. You can also have your categories here if you wish, or you can change those. And if you click what's new, it's going to show you basically the newest items. So that's what this theme looks like. You can change the colors, you can change a lot of the stuff about it. There is some preset colors in there, but you can modify that as you like. But let's say, like me, you don't want to keep this theme. You want to keep your theme. Well, one thing that you can do is, once you've posted these, well actually see, I'm in drafts right now. I'm in all of my posts right now, and as you can see there are 8 drafts. Those are the ones I just picked, and here they are. Here's the names of them. If I wanted to, I could click this, or click just a few of them, click edit, and then I can hit publish and make them all live. I'm not going to do that, however. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to go back to a different theme. Let's say, for instance, that you don't want to use the Covert Store theme. Well, the nice thing about WordPress is that you can upload multiple themes. See, here's 2 themes that naturally come with WordPress. You probably recognize them, 2011 and 2012. And here's the one that I've been using. Let's say you have a completely different theme, but you want to use this theme to blog without blogging. Well, then all you have to do is come here into your themes, activate it from down here, import your blog posts. Once you've imported them, activate a different blog post. So I'm going to activate 2011, and now when I right click on this, my posts are still there, because once you've made them live, they're going to stay there. Now these are the last ones that I did, but you can see the other ones I did, you saw I left as a draft. These ones are the live ones, and you can see that they're showing up just as they would in the 2011 one now instead. So when I go to one of those, the information is still there, the comments are still there. So it's fantastic. If you just import this theme and you use it in conjunction with a theme you already have, then you can actually have it blog, but as you can see, there's no buying links. There's no links that lead them to Amazon or eBay or ClickBank. Those links only remain if you use the other theme. So you can put in your own links just by going and editing this post. Now the other thing that you can do is, say you want to do like I do and keep it on a sub-site, but then use a different site. Like I want to use it on my bookreviewersclub.com. Then what you can do is you can actually export it. And you go down to Tools and you click Export. And I say I just want to export the posts. I don't want the pages, I just want the posts. And I only want the draft posts. I don't want the ones that are live. Well, then I just download the export file and I save it to my computer. I'm going to go ahead and save this to the desktop so I can find it quickly. And now that that's in, I'm going to pop over to my regular site and I'm going to say import. And then I'm going to use the WordPress because it's coming from a WordPress site. And I'm going to choose the file that I just imported. So today is 8/2, but because WordPress is always off by about 12 hours, it thinks today is the 3rd. I'm going to say upload file and import. It's going to ask me who I want the author to be, and I'm going to say to post. And I'm also going to click download and import file attachments. And now those posts are in here. See? It's the exact same posts, but they're in the draft form now. And all I have to do is, if I want to change it, I go into edit. And most of the time, it will keep everything for you. It'll keep the featured image so you don't have to reset the featured image. It'll keep the formatting. There won't be any links once you've imported it into a different theme because it's just like deactivating the previous theme. And when you go live, you will see it on your site. So you can come in here. I generally come in, I format, I add my categories, I add whatever it is I need to add. And as you can see, the featured image didn't save on this one. That just happens to be because of the way that I use this theme. Sometimes there's a glitch in it that won't let them cross over, but most of the time it does cross over. So this is what it would look like basically on my theme. This is my book reviewer site, and you can see these are some of the featured images that actually came from that other one. There's the beautiful creatures you saw earlier and the Hobbit. And so I'm using a different theme in conjunction with the Covert Store Builder theme in order to blog without blogging. And you can literally, when I first found this particular theme, I imported probably 200 blogs the first night from Amazon of products that I knew I loved, that I knew were fantastic, that I wanted to share with my readers. And I did it in like a couple of hours. So literally, Covert Store Builder, if you really want to blog without blogging, this is the best way to do it. Thank you for watching.